Hi everyone. This week for phonics, we're going to be learning about something called digraphs. Specifically, two types of digraphs this week. Digraphs are when two letters come together to make one new sound. Our first digraph is CH. CH, when it stands together, makes the ch sound. Can you say that? Ch. Good. You hear this digraph in things like the word chair, a little chair here, cheese, and chips. Can you think of some other words that begin with the ch sound? You know how much I love a hand motion with every sound. It helps our brains remember. So when we make the ch sound and we see CH on our letter cards, we're going to take two fingers, one on each hand, and we're going to make a chain. So we'll say CH says ch, and then pull on your little chain. You ready? I have to hold this. I need one hand to hold this, so you're going to have to use your two fingers to pull it. Let's say it. CH says ch. Good job. The next digraph that we're going to be learning about this week is SH. When an S and an H stand together, they make the sh sound. Can you make that sound? Shh. Nice. We hear this sound, sh, at the beginning of words like shoe or sheep, or when you have a sheet, one sheet of paper. So when we see our two letters, S and H, standing together, we will say SH says shh. Let's do that right now. Ready? SH says shh. Can you think of a couple more words that begin with the sh sound? Good. What I want you to do is find a sheet of paper. You're going to take it and hold it this way, lengthwise. And then you're going to fold it in half. So I'm matching up the edges and I'm folding. You'll probably want to lay it down to do this. And I'm folding it down the middle so that I have two sides. Then I'm going to take a marker or a crayon, something that will be bright. Here I'm using a green marker. And on one side you will write CH, and on one side you will write SH. When this video stops and you folded your paper and you've written CH on one side and SH on the other, see if you can think of two things that start with the ch sound and two things that start with the sh sound. Draw a picture, and if you can write the word, you can write it as well. Draw and write the two things, the two CH things on this side and the two SH things on this side. And then don't forget to check out your Boom Cards activity today.